Hello! This video will show you how to update different settings and information on your Twigby Mobile account. Let's begin. Once you are on the website, type in your username and password and click Login. You can then click on My Account, then Account Settings, or click on Account Settings below. Here you will find the personal information on your account, and you can update your full name, account address, username, password, PIN, security questions, and primary payment method. For some account info, such as name change, you will have to submit an authentication code. Once you have received the code, you can simply type in your new first name and last name and hit Update Account Name. You will also find text notifications and two-step authentication. You can simply enable them or disable them and click Save. That's how to find and update your personal information and account settings on your Twigby Mobile account.